How to make your own composter. Compost is an incredibly useful and environmentally friendly way to make the most of the food you purchase. Not only does it reduce the amount of waste that gets disposed of, but it also converts it into something that is useful for all types of gardening. Composting also allows us to take a step beyond the usual reduce, reuse, and recycle because it enables us to have a more hands-on experience in an incredibly important process. Making your own composter requires only a few tools and is an easy enough project for most people to tackle. Things you will need. Very large plastic storage bin. Drill. Choose a location for your composter. You'll want to have it near your home so that it's easy to carry vegetable scraps to but also close to the area that you will be using the compost for. Prepare your large plastic storage bin for use by drilling holes in it. This step is necessary because your composter will need air circulating around its contents so it decomposes faster. The size of the drill bit you use doesn't matter, just drill about 25 or 30 holes 2 inches apart from each other on all sides of the bin, including its bottom and lid. Place your new composter in your designated area. Place any leftover vegetable matter in your composter. Aerate your new composter every other day by giving it a shake. Tips warnings. If your compost material appears too wet or has an unpleasant odor, add shredded fall leaves, shredded newspaper or sawdust to the bin. If your compost seems too dry, moisten it with a spray bottle. A plastic storage bin you choose to turn into your composting bin should at least be 18 gallons, though preferably larger. Never place meat, bones or cooking oil in your composter. It is only for vegetable matter.